Dad, look at that giant wave!
It's getting bigger!
Tom, Anna!
Run now!
Don't look back! Keep running!
The water is everywhere!
I can't run faster!
Hold my hand tightly! We're almost there! The wave is coming! It's so huge! Stay together! Keep climbing!
Dad,
The trees are shaking!
the water is so loud! Don't stop! Almost to the top!
Wow! The beach is beautiful! The water is so blue!
Let's put our bags here.
Today will be a wonderful day! Look at my big sand castle!
I found a pretty shell.
Great job! Let's enjoy our beautiful day! Look! A little crab! It's so cute!
Be gentle!
Nature is amazing! The water feels warm! The waves are so small!
Stay close to us.
Don't go too far. I'm getting hungry.
Let's eat our sandwiches.
These are delicious.
After lunch, we'll walk along the beach. Look, there are many birds.
They are flying together.
What a peaceful day.
Yes, it's perfect. Dad,
Why is the water going away?
the beach looks bigger.
Something doesn't feel right. Everyone, stay close to me. Why are the fish on the sand?
This is very strange. I don't like this.
Everyone, stay together. Dad,
What's happening?
the lifeguards look worried.
Stay close to us. Something is very wrong.
Dad, are we leaving?
I'm scared.
Stay with us. We must go now.
Dad, where are we going?
Everyone is running.
Stay close to us. We are going to higher ground. Hurry! Dad, are we safe now? I'm tired.
Just a little farther. Keep climbing. Don't stop.
Dad, what is that?
Is that a giant wave?
Oh no,
Everyone, stay back.
it's coming. It's so big.
Stay together. We're safe here. Don't go near the edge. The beach is gone.
Everything is underwater.
I'm so glad we're safe. We listened to the warning. That saved us. The wave is getting smaller.
Is it over now?
We are safe together. Let's wait until the emergency workers tell us it's safe.
The sun is coming back.
The storm is over.
I'm thankful we're together.
We stayed calm and we stayed safe. The ocean is calm again.
I'm not scared now.
Everything will be okay.
Yeah.
Let's wait a little longer, then we can go down safely.
My sandcastle is gone.
We can build another one.
The important thing is that we're together. That's what matters most. We built a new sandcastle. It's even better.
We will always remember this day.
Stay calm, stay together. Our sandcastle is finished. It's our best one.
We made wonderful memories.
And we learned an important lesson. This is my favorite beach.
It's beautiful.
Some days teach us important lessons. Today we learn to respect the ocean and always stay prepared.
The ocean is peaceful again.
I'm happy we're safe. Today taught us something important. Respect nature, stay calm, and always follow safety warning.
I learned a lot today. Me too.
Always listen to safety warnings. They help keep everyone safe.
I'm happy we are safe. This was a special day. We will always remember it. Nature is powerful.
Today was unforgettable.
We stayed together.
Family gives us courage. When we stay calm and help each other,
Today was scary, but we are safe. We stayed together. Love and courage kept us strong. I'll never forget today. Me neither.
every day is a gift, and every safety warning is important.
I'm glad we never gave up.
We stayed together. That made us strong. Remember this day, respect nature, and always protect each other.
It's time to go home.
I'll always remember this beach.
Today taught us courage. Let's go home together. Goodbye, beach.
See you again someday,
We leave with happy hearts.
and with a lesson we'll never forget. Everything is packed.
Let's go home. I'm thankful everyone is safe. Home is waiting for us. Goodbye, beautiful beach.
We'll never forget today. Every new day brings hope.
Let's carry these memories
home.
I'll always remember today.
Me too.
Every ending becomes a new beginning. Let's go home safely. What a wonderful day!
I'll remember it forever.
I'm proud of all of you. Home is our next adventure. We're almost home.
I can't wait to tell Grandma about today. She'll be happy everyone is safe.
Home is the best place to end a great adventure. We're finally home.
Home feels so cozy.
It's wonderful to be back.
The best adventures always end at home.
This shell will remind me of today. I'll keep it forever. Every memory makes our family stronger. Thank you for joining our adventure.
Stay safe and never ignore warning signs.
Love and courage help every family.
See you in our next adventure. Goodbye.